Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jesslyn. This video is about horizontal and vertical lines and graphing them and what they mean. It's gonna be a really short video because it's not that hard, but hopefully you'll understand this and hopefully you're enjoying all these videos. So horizontal line, so let's just graph a horizontal line right now. Not with this because that's the same color. So we'll do purple. So horizontal, think of the horizon. So knowing about a horizontal line, let's talk about things that we know. So we know the slope of a horizontal line is 0. And the reason why is slope is rise over run. Okay, so rise over run. So if we pick 2 points on here, so that point and that point, we want to know how much it rises and then how much it runs. Well, from here to here, it doesn't rise any. It doesn't go up or down. So that would be 0. So it rises 0, and then it runs 1, 2, 3. But 0 divided by anything is always going to give you 0. This is on a horizontal line. It's never going to have the rise. So which is why the slope is always 0. Okay, so the equation of this line is always going to be y is equal to a number, okay? And that number will be the number where it crosses the y-axis. So it crosses the y-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4 at -4. So that is the equation of that line, where it crosses the y-axis. A lot of people get confused because it says y equals, that it thinks that it has to be vertical, but just think to yourself, y always has to equal. If you look at these points, this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, -4, and this point is -1, -4. What's the one that's always being consistent? The x values are changing, but the consistency is the y value. So that's why it's y is equal to -4, because the consistency of the y value of each coordinate is always -4. Now let's talk about vertical lines. So, we don't have our coordinate plane there. There we go. Vertical line. So if I taught about a vertical line here. So a vertical line, the slope is undefined. That's what we say. And the reason why is because if we chose 2 points on this line, so rise over run. So in this case, it's rising. Let's go from here to here. It's rising 2, but it's not running. It's not going left or right at all. So over 0. Well, we all know you can't divide by 0. Okay, so since we can't divide by 0, then that slope is what we call undefined. Okay, and the equation of this line is x equals any number, and in this case, it's where it crosses the x-axis, just like the other one where it crossed the y-axis is y equals. And it crosses the x-axis, so you know that it should be x. So it crosses the x-axis as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it crosses at -5, so x equals -5 is the equation of that graph. And again, it's going to be x because that's where it crosses on the x-axis, and that is the coordinate that's staying the same. All of these coordinates have -5 for their x coordinate. So that's why it's x equals -5. Thank you for watching.